Welcome. If you're looking to delete a story from your Telegram profile, you're in the right place. Whether you posted something by mistake or just want to tidy up your profile, removing a story is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together so you can keep your Telegram profile exactly how you want it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, and you'll land on your chat screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. This is where your active stories are displayed. Tap your profile picture to view your current story or stories. This will open up the story viewer, showing you everything you've posted recently. If you have more than one story, just swipe to the one you want to remove. Once you've found the story you want to delete, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the top right corner of the story screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu of options related to your story. From the menu, select Delete. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove something you want to keep. Tap Delete again to confirm, and that's it. Your story is now gone. It will no longer be visible to your contacts or anyone else who could view your stories. If you have more stories you'd like to remove, just repeat these steps for each one. Deleting stories on Telegram is a simple way to manage what you share and keep your profile up to date. Remember, you're always in control of your content. If you ever change your mind, you can always post a new story whenever you want. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a hand managing their Telegram stories. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips and updates.